Hi everyone, welcome to Hot Fashion's third annual fashion show. Silence and Noise is a progression of clothing from simple structured outfits to more texturized patterned clothing. And we have some really great designers presenting to you tonight. We have Angela and Roy, Clear Classics, Habit, which is a small boutique in the South End. Revivals has given us some really great leather and jeans studded jackets. Blue Posh, Jack Wills, LOR, who have just shown their items at New York Fashion Week. Us Trendy, and Maggie is another Northeastern student who makes her own jewelry. So we've had a really great time putting this show together for you, and we hope you enjoy it as well.
I'm trying.